Hey everyone, welcome back to J-Rock Yoga. My name is Jess, and today in this video I'm going to take you through how to practice Virabhadrasana 3 or Warrior 3. So if you're interested in learning that, just keep watching. All right, we're gonna get started at the top of your mat today. So I'm gonna get started at the middle of my mat so that you guys can see me, but you can come to the tops of your mats. Warrior 3, I'm gonna give you two variations to get into Warrior 3. I'm going to give you the full classical variation, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a modified version. So let's start with the modified version. Hands are going to come into your heart center in prayer, your Anjali Mudra. Heels of the palms pressed together, and then notice if the hands are up here, draw them down, the heels of the palms in line with the elbows. Pull the belly in and up. Nice big inhale here. And as you exhale, let's step your right foot forward, about a foot or so. Take another inhale, lengthen up through the crown, and as you exhale, let's bend into your right knee and start to float your left leg off the ground. Good. So now the right leg can stay bent as you get your balance. Pull the belly button into the spine. Flex through the foot or press through the ball mound. Notice that the hip wants to open up in this pose. Let's try and close off your left hip. So by doing that, we're kind of evening out the body. So think about spiraling left inner thigh up toward the sky. Now pull the heart forward, body down, left foot back. Like a human tug of war, breathe in. And breathe out. Maybe we press the standing leg a little bit more straight. Breath in and out. Slowly, let's come on back to standing. There's one variation of Warrior 3. And this takes time, so be nice to yourself. If you wobble, if you fall out, just come back in and try again. And some days balance is right here, and sometimes balance is like in a far off galaxy. So don't worry if it doesn't come to you right away. That's okay. All right, so for the second variation, I'm going to have you come to the tops of your mat or middle of your mat, and then inhale to sweep your arms straight up over your head. When they meet, interlace the fingers, but release your pointer finger and cross the thumbs in the back. Press down through the feet, knit the low ribs in, and as you inhale, reach up. Feel the right foot planted on the ground. Step your left foot about 3 feet back. As you inhale, don't lose the grip. Stretch the arms up around the ears. And as you exhale, bend into the right knee. Start to lift left leg off the ground. For this variation, same thing applies. You can either flex the foot or press through the ball mound. Close off the hip. Internally rotate left inner thigh up. Pull belly in and reach. Feel the scapula trying to reach up off the back. As you inhale, tug of war, fingers reach forward, ball mound of the foot or heel reaches back. Suck the core in, big breath in here, and out. Inhale, press through the standing leg. Exhale it out. Inhale, rise all the way up, and slowly release. And there you have your Virabhadrasana 3 or your Warrior 3 position. I hope you liked this video and it really helped you figure out a little bit more of your asana practice. If you'd like more content like this, I'm going to put out a new video every week, so please subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, a little yoga, a little life, my handle is @jrockyoga. And if you would like to follow me on my website, it's jrockyoga.com for longer flows, recipes, blog posts, basically all the other good stuff. So I hope to see you back next week. Happy practicing.